Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11 Home version for using virtual machines. Different with other Windows 11 version. Example is Windows 11 Pro. This is Windows 11 Pro. You can be easy to enable Hyper-V. You only list to Asset feature and click to enable Hyper-V feature. Like this. You click to select Hyper-V and OK. Close. Now you can type Hyper-V. This appear, and now you can use it for visual machine. But in Windows 11 Home version, you cannot use it to enable. You cannot find Hyper-V in the Windows feature on or off. Now I will show you how to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11 Home. First, you download file I put in description below. You accept link and download. After download, you extract file. This is file to active Hyper-V in the Windows 11 Home. You can open it by edit to see the code inside. It's safety, not risk for your computer. Okay, now you run as admin and waiting. Now it requests restart the computer. You type yes. Now you search Hyper-V. Okay, already appear. Now you can use it to create visual machine. Okay, I already showed you how to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11 Home. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.